Hello everyone, welcome to our Review Pro. Yes, today we are going to discuss some of the calculator tricks which you will use during your examination. I know that you are going to face your exam right now, so these calculator tricks will be very helpful for you. So first thing I'll be teaching you is a small simple one, that is if it is like 1 plus 2.5 the whole square into x, which is equal to 25. Then how will you use the calculator to find the answer for x? Okay, everyone first take the calculator, then type first. Anyway, if any number is having any power or something, we should first decode that, or we should make the power go away. How will you use that? That means 2.5 square. That means 2.5 into equal to. That means we found the square of 2.5. That is 2.5 square. Then to that we will add plus 1. To that we add plus 1. That means we are getting this entire value. Whatever is there inside the bracket, we are getting that value. Now you need to find the value of x, correct? Now that bracket is along with what? Along with our x, which is equal to 25. Now we need to take this bracket to the other side. How can you do that? Now if you click divide equal to whatever is there in that bracket is going to the other side as the reciprocal. Now finally you can multiply it with 25. You will get the answer of x. Everyone try once. Formulas PDF, it is mentioned in the last marathon. It is mentioned over there. It is in the comment section. It is there. Formulas PDF is there. Hi Chico. Yes. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. PDF yesterday content. It is in the comment box. Yes, it is there. Now how to do this? Take the calculator. First type 2.5 into equal to. Then to that you will add what? Plus 1. Then you will click divide equal to. That means it is becoming the reciprocal and it is going to the other side, correct? Then you are multiplying it with 25. You are getting the value of x, which is how much? You are getting it as 3.448. Correct? Yes, right answer, Avandika. Similarly, now I will add on something. If the powers are high, for example 2.5 raised to 11, how will you use calculator to find this value? If inside the exam hall you are getting this value, then how will you use calculator? Always think that type 2.5 on your calculator. Okay, that is the first step. First you will type 2.5 on your calculator, then you will type into, then you will click equal to 1 less than the power. That means here the power is 11, correct? Then you need to click equal to for 10 times. You will get the answer. Everyone take the calculator. 2.5 into equal to how many times? 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You will get the answer. Okay, understood that? How many of you got 23,841.8579 something? Yes, that's how you do it. For example, if the power is like this, 1.07, the whole power 17, what will you do? What will you do? You will type 1.07 on your calculator, 1.07 on your calculator. Then you will click into. Then how many times you will click equal to? 16 times. That means 1 less than the power. That means 1.06 into equal to how many times? 16 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You will get the answer. Yes, found, sir. Yes, perfect. Now, if it is like this, 1 divided by 1.75 the whole power 13, which is equal to x. How will you find? You will think that, sir, first should I take that denominator to the numerator and all? Should I do it that way? Is that the method? Actually, it is the method, but while doing in calculator, first we will find this value. That is 1.75 the whole power 16 on your calculator first. How will you do it? Take the calculator, type 1.75. Then what will you do? Then you will click equal to. Then what will you do? Then you will click equal to how many times? Here the power is how much? Power is 13, so we should click equal to 12 times, 1 less than the power. Everyone click equal to 12 times, take the calculator, 1.75, then click into sign, then equal to how many times? 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Now you got the value of the denominator. Now you want to bring the reciprocal. How will you take the reciprocal? In order to take the reciprocal, whatever you have on your calculator, you might having this value, correct? Yes. Then click divide sign, then click equal to sign, divide equal to. When you click divide equal to, it will take the reciprocal automatically. Then you will get the value of x. Click divide equal to, you will get the value of x. Got the point? So randomly, if it is like 1 by 3, type 3, then click divide equal to, you will get the reciprocal of 3, that is 1 by 3 answer you will get fast. I think you understood that, everyone. Yes. Can we go for the next one? Now, in certain cases, for example, in statistics and all, we might be using some, for example, x is there, f is there, okay. In order to find mean, x value is 10, 20, 30, 40, okay. F value is 6, 4, 3, 5. Now, we can use memory calculation for this type of calculation. How will you use memory calculation? I will tell you. So what is the formula for x bar? X bar is equal to sigma fx divided by n or sigma f. Sigma f. Total sigma f value, how much is it? You can use calculator and find the sigma f value. That's up to you. But in this cases, what will you do? How will you find sigma fx? Everyone, clear the memory first. First step is clearing the memory. That means you need to click MRC button multiple times, or minimum 2 times you should click MRC button. That means the memory will be cleared off. Okay. Now the next step is, so in order to find sigma fx, the method is first type 10 into 6. That means we are taking the product of f and x. 10 into 6. X is 10, f is 6. 10 into 6, then you are clicking m plus, that means it is getting added to the memory. Then 20 into 4, m plus, then 30 into 3, m plus, then 40 into 5, m plus. So you added everything, you added all the products into the memory. Then finally you need to click MRC button, then you will get the value of sigma fx. You will get the entire value. Take the calculator, first clear the memory. Everyone, 10 into 6, m plus, 20 into 4, m plus, 30 into 3, m plus, 40 into 5, m plus. Finally click MRC, you are getting the value as 430. Let it be there in the memory itself, let it be there in the memory itself. Now we need to find the denominator. How will you find denominator? The denominator is found using adding all the f values, that is 6 plus, take calculator and do it, okay. 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus 5. Now you have the denominator on your calculator. If I take the reciprocal, that means 1 by sigma f. If I take divide equal to, it is going to the numerator. I get it as point something, correct? 0.055555. Then multiply it with whatever MRC value we already have. That means 430. That means sigma x bar. Then you will click equal to, you will get it as 23.88. X bar is equal to 23.88. Yes. One should bubble with pencil only, sir. Yes. Examination OMR sheet should be bubbled with pencil only. Don't use pen. It will be a problem. Use pen only. Okay. So when we will have a session at 8:45 today. Okay. Yes. So you understood this? MRC, then x bar is equal to, divide this 430 divided by 18. So 18 divide equal to, multiply it with MRC will give you x bar. That's all. Yes. Next one. So while finding present value, we were using PV in chapter number 4. Chapter 4. While finding present value of annuity regular, we were using a GT method. Do you remember that? Sometimes our rate percentage is given as 10%, number of years is given as 10 years, then A value or annuity amount is given as 1000. Then what is the present value is the question. So in such cases, we have a easy calculator trick using what? Using GT button or grand total button. Grand total button. Now, how to use this? So type first 1 point. I plus 1 value is how much? The 1 plus y value is how much? 1.1. Type 1.1 on your calculator. Then the next step is click divide. So second step is what? Click divide sign. Then the third step is equal to signs as many number of years. Here 10 years are there. That means equal to how many times we will click the 10 times equal to we will click. Then at the end you will click GT button and multiply it with the annuity amount. Annuity amount here is how much? The 1000. So you will get the PV value using grand total button. Good afternoon, Priya. Good afternoon, everyone. Yes. Now take the calculator, type 1.1. Then you will click divide sign. Then you will click equal to how many times? Equal to 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then what are you clicking? GT button. GT button you are clicking. Then multiply it with 1000. You are getting the present value of annuity regular, which is equal to how much? 6144. Okay. Now, if it is annuity immediate or annuity due. So, if it is annuity immediate or annuity due, after this step, right? After finding 6144, we need to multiply it with 1 plus I value. Here it is how much? The multiply it with 1.1. You will get the present value of annuity due. You will get it that way. Arthaita? Samjaya? Everyone? Manasilayo? Purinjida? Yes, that's all. Okay, next one. Here, in certain cases, we will have our power in decimal form. For example, 1.03, the whole power 0.58. Okay, if it is like a decimal power is there, so you will be like, sir, how will I use calculator to get the answer? I don't know how to use calculator. In that cases, there is no separate button to find this power like this. In such cases, we should use a method. I'll tell you what to do. First step is type the base number. Type the base number. That is how much? Type the base number. We will type 1.03. Then next step is second step. Click root sign 12 times. That is the next step. So first step is type 1.03. That is the base number. Then click root sign. How many times? You will be clicking that for 12 times. Then the third step is minus 1. We need to reduce the received value with 1. Minus 1 you will click. Then the next step is multiply it with the power. Multiply with power. Here how much is the power? The power is 0.58. So you are multiplying the given value or whatever value you are having right now on the calculator with 0.58. Then the next step is, we reduced 1 minus 1 in the previous step, right? We need to add that. That is plus 1. We are adding that back. Okay. Then the last and final step is into equal to 12 times you need to click. How you will click it? Into equal to. Likewise, you need to click 12 times. How will you do it? Let me take the calculator first. So everyone type 1.03, then click root sign 12 times. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 times you click what? Root sign. Now we are going to reduce minus 1 from it. That means minus 1 you will type. Then next step is multiply it with the power. Power is how much? 0.58. That is 0.58. You are multiplying it. Then plus 1. That is the last step. Then we are going to the last step, that is into equal to. That means first you will click into sign, then you will click equal to sign. That is considered as 1. Then again into equal to 2. That will be 2. Then into equal to, that will be the third time. So similarly do it. Into equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is the method. How many of you got it as? Answer is how much? 1.01729 is our answer. Everyone got this? So this same method can be used for finding so you teach that is evening dusk. After 8:30 we will be having it. 8:30, 8:45 I guess. Yeah, 8:45. Now it is not teaching, we'll be revising. Okay, yes. Now if the power is like this, cube root, you know how to find cube root. You will be like, so there is no button in calculator to find cube root, we only have square root button. In that case, don't worry, use our same method whatever I showed you right now. How will you find it? For example, 3 point, you need to find the cube root of 27 raised to 1 by 3. Anyway, you know that cube root of 27 is how much? That is 3. So we will check whether our answer is correct or not. What is the first step? Type 27 on your calculator. Then what is the next step? Click root sign 12 times. Everyone do it. Type 27, then root sign 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That is the next step. Then minus 1. Reduce 1 from the given value. Minus 1 we are taking. Then multiply it with 1 by 3. That means into 1 divided by 3. Then what is the next step? We reduce 1, right? So we need to add that back. That means plus 1. Everyone add plus 1. Then next step is into equal to how many times? 12 times you need to click. That means into equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You got it as 3.00008. Correct? That means approximately equal to 3. That's our answer, people. I hope that everyone understood that. Sir, I didn't how to use GT button. So you understood that, Priya, right now? If you are not able to do that right now, after this live is over, the video will be available. That time, just check that video. Just go and rewind the video. You will be able to do that. Okay. Yes. It is very easy. Again, whatever steps I have mentioned, just follow that. That's more than enough to get the marks. Now, people, in certain calculation, for example, you will know the present value. Present value will be like, or you will know the future value. That will be like 1 lakh. Okay. Or 1 lakh. Then you don't know the annuity amount. A value you don't know. Into. They have given it as 1 plus I. I value is 1.01. 0.01. It is there. The whole raised to 10. Then minus 1. The entire thing divided by 0.1. So you need to find the I value. What are the steps we are going to do now? First one, 1 plus 0.1 is how much? 1.1 you will type. Then into equal to how many times? Not into equal to equal to how many times you will click? 10 times you will click equal to. 10 times Allah, 9 times you will click equal to 1 less than the power. Okay, everyone take the calculator. 1.1 into equal to how many times? 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You type that up. From that, reduce 1. That means minus 1 you are taking in the calculator. Then divide the entire thing with, what is the denominator? 0.1. You are dividing it with how much? 0.1. Now you got some value like 15.93, correct? That means 10,000 is equal to, 1 lakh is equal to A into 15.9374 is the value you are using, correct? This is the method. Now you need to take it to the other side. You need to take it to the other side means it should go as the reciprocal. How will you take the reciprocal? Whatever you have in the calculator, so you have this value like this, correct? Like 15.9374 something you have calculator, right? You will click then divide equal to. That means it is going as reciprocal to the other side, so that we can multiply directly with 1 lakh. You will get the answer. Multiply it with 1 lakh. That's our answer. Multiply it with 1 lakh. How much you got? 62. How much is the answer you are getting? 6274.53. Sir, instead of GT we can use M plus. Yes. Any method you can use. Avantika, any method, whichever method you learned till now, follow that method. Anything is fine. Yes. It will give you the same answer. Anything is fine. Okay. Yes. because those students who doesn't have GT button can follow M plus MRC. Okay, yes. Now next one. In certain questions from our chapter 4, that is like they will say that the initial principal is 20,000 or 30,000 20,000 rupees, and initial for first year the interest rate is R1 is 5% per CI, R2 is second year it is like 10% per CI, and the third year it is like 4% per CI. So in such type of question, you can always follow a method. Type 20,000 on your calculator. Everyone type 20,000 on your calculator plus Sweda. It is available in the last marathon, pre-exam marathons comment box. It is there. You can download from there. Okay. Yes, I have mentioned it over there. Then 20,000 plus. What is the first year? Everyone take calculator. Type 20,000. Everyone type 20,000. Yes. Then type click plus sign. Click plus sign. Then plus. You will type 5%. So that means plus 5. Then click percentage sign. Then plus 10%. Again click plus. Then type 10. Then click percentage sign. Then again click plus. Type 4%. That means how much is the answer you are getting? Everyone got it? So that is the method in such type of question. So if you follow this type of memory calculation, all the type of calculation, you will be able to solve questions very fast. And I'm telling you, statistics part and all, try to do the entire thing in the calculator itself rather than depending too much on writing, because you will be able to, if you are using calculator properly, you will be able to get the answer within seconds using our calculator used for statistics exam part. That means 40 marks, it can be scored within like 40 minutes. That is possible. Okay everyone, so that's all I want to say. And Niveda, the PDF, it is there only. It is there in the last marathons class comment box. It is there. You can take it from there. Okay, or I will just attach to this video also. Okay, thank you so much everyone. Have a great day and study well. Yes, you should always think that if someone else already passed the exam, then you can also pass the exam. It is nothing like you cannot achieve this goal and all. It's like all about your efforts. If you put the right amount of effort, you are going to pass the exam no matter what. Okay, statistics class we will be having at 8:45 in the evening. So we will be revising entire statistics. That's the plan as of now. We will meet at 8:45 p.m. Okay, thank you so much everyone. Have a great day. Do well. Okay, we will meet at 8:45. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Yes. Yes, Veda, we should find formula PDF in the last marathon. Yes, it is there. It is there in the last marathon. Yes. Any other doubt, you can ask me right now. I'll be available for like 5 minutes more. Yes. Yes. Please, any suggestions to improve such expertise on calculator at the end of the class? Yes. So what you can do is, I think one thing is it's all about practice, Navdeep. Once you practice a lot with calculator, you will be like, that thing will come to you. Eventually you will be like, when I see 1/3, when you see 1/3, you won't be like, 1 second, I'll just show you. When I see 1 divided by 3, correct? When I see 1 divided by 3, I will be like, I'll just type 3, then click divide. I'll type 3, then click divide, then click equal to. I'll get the answer. I won't type 1 divided by 3. Okay, that is the method. The formula PDF, oh, that I will check. It will be downloadable. It should be downloadable. I kept it that way only. I'll check on that. Okay, fine. Yes, I'll make sure that it is downloadable. So it will come with practice. So when you practice a lot, it will be easy for you with the calculator. And I hope that you can use, I'm telling you, 20 questions you will get easily with the calculator alone. By just using the calculator, you will get 20 questions for sure. Okay, yes. Everyone, thank you so much. We will meet in the evening. Bye bye. Take care. Yes.